Imagine a lizard that can walk on water. It's not a myth, it's real. This is the basilisk lizard, a small creature with superpowers that amazes scientists. Its body is light, its reflexes are fast, and its feet have special combs to create thrust. When threatened, the basilisk can sprint up to 12 kilometers per hour and run on water for several seconds. Each kick of his feet created a small air pocket that prevented him from sinking. In an instant, he escaped his predator. Speed was his lifeline. Sometimes the greatest strength is not size, but the ability to survive.